time to figure out what the heck's killing your battery. Let's go into settings. Scroll down to battery. And start to look at our health. So we can see our battery health right now. We can check out all of our charge levels. This is something new in iOS 12 that you can see what was going on at certain times that your battery was draining really quickly. You can see right here that I was on YouTube for a while. I was actually using it. If you click on the activity, I was using it for 9 minutes at that point. But if I click out of this, you can see that over the past day I was using YouTube for 1 hour 16 minutes total. We can actually check out all of our activity time. And we can see over the last 3 days, this is since I updated to iOS 12. We can also check out our full battery health. Right now mine's at 84%. I've had my phone for about 2 years now. And Apple will also give certain suggestions. I like to keep my screen brightness very high. It's telling me that I should probably lower that. It's great to see what is killing your battery so you can make the proper changes that you need to.